Hi, first grade. I thought for our story today or our book today, we would go back to nonfiction. And since Mrs. Frew and the specials were focusing on some ocean themes for some of your activities, I thought we would read Ocean Animals. And it just goes through some of the different animals that live in the ocean and gives some facts about them. So I hope you find it interesting. Okay, crabs. Crabs can live in water and on land. They are often found on beaches or in rock pools. They have a hard outer skeleton. When crabs are growing, they shed their old outer skeleton while a new one grows to replace it. And then it says most crabs are omnivores and feed on algae. They also eat mollusks, other crustaceans, worms, and dead matter that falls to the seafloor. Crabs live in all of the world's oceans in fresh water and on land. Crabs vary in size from the pea crab, less than an inch wide, to the giant spider crab with a leg span of up to 12 feet. That's really big. Crabs are crustaceans. Crabs can be aggressive toward each other. Males often fight over females. And then it says, Safari Sam says, crabs spend the early part of their lives floating in the sea. When they are old enough, they sink to live on the bottom of the ocean. They use their 8 legs to walk. Crabs use their pinchers to pick up food and to signal to each other. Okay, dolphins. Dolphins are mammals and are related to whales. Unlike fish, they have lungs and need to regularly surface to breathe air. Dolphins are sociable. They live in groups called pods of about 12 animals, and that's a bottlenose dolphin there. It says fish and squid are dolphins' main food sources. Killer whales, a type of dolphin, also feed on seals and penguins. Dolphins are found in all of the world's oceans and even in some rivers. Dolphins vary in size from Maui's dolphin at 5.5 feet, 5.5 feet, and weighing 110 pounds, to killer whales at 27 feet and weighing 10 tons. Dolphins, just gotta move so I can see the writing. Dolphins are mammals and give birth to live young. So we learned about mammals, what makes a mammal in class. Dolphins have very good eyesight and hearing. They use echolocation, like a submarine sonar, to find prey. And I believe we talked about how bats do that as well, so they can send off vibrations, and that's how they use the vibrations to find things. And that's echolocation. Says Safari Sam says dolphins are very intelligent. They are often seen surfing, doing acrobatics, and playing with other animals such as whales and even dogs. Lobsters. Like crabs, lobsters have a hard outer skeleton. They have long bodies with muscular tails and live in crevices on the seafloor. They have large, powerful claws to capture their prey and to defend themselves. Safari Sam says lobsters slowly walk on the seafloor. To avoid predators, they can quickly swim backward at speeds of 11 miles per hour by curling and uncurling their tail. Lobsters are omnivores. They eat live prey such as fish, mollusks, other crustaceans, worms, and some types of plants. Lobsters live in all oceans. They live on rocky, sandy, or muddy bottoms from the shoreline to beyond the edge of the continental shelf. Lobsters range from about 10 to 20 inches long. Lobsters are crustaceans, like the crabs, and lobsters may reach 60 years of age or more. Octopuses. These amazing sea creatures have 8 arms and no bones in their bodies. They have 2 eyes and a hard beak with a mouth at the center of the body where the arms meet. If threatened, an octopus squirts out a cloud of ink and a jet of water to power its escape. Says octopuses eat many sea animals, from crabs to fish and prawns. Large octopuses have been known to kill some species of sharks. Octopuses live in oceans throughout the world. They occupy coral reefs, open ocean waters, and the ocean floor. The North Pacific giant octopus is the largest species. It can weigh up to 150 pounds and have an arm span of 20 feet. Octopuses are members of a group of animals called mollusks, which includes snails, mollusks. Keep tripping on that one. Octopuses usually inject their prey with a paralyzing saliva. Then they chop the prey into small pieces with their beaks. And it says, Safari Sam says, octopuses are highly intelligent. In laboratory experiments, octopuses can find their way through mazes and remember the route. They can also be trained to recognize different shapes and patterns. Pelicans. Just leave me there so I can read all the words. Pelicans are large seabirds that use their long beaks to catch fish. Some pelicans dive into the water to catch their prey. Others catch prey while they are swimming. Some of these birds work together to drive fish into shallow water for easier catching. A pelican's diet is mainly fish, but they eat turtles, crustaceans, amphibians, and occasionally birds. Pelicans are found in warm regions of coastal and inland waters on all continents except Antarctica. Pelicans vary in size from 4 to 6 feet long, with wingspans of up to 10 feet. Pelicans are birds. Some pelicans, such as the brown pelican, usually dive into the sea for their prey. And Safari Sam says, other birds may steal fish from a pelican's mouth. Gulls might stand on a pelican's head, peck it to distract it, and then grab the fish from the pelican's open beak. Seahorses. Now we've learned a lot about them this year. Seahorses are delicate little fish that come in a variety of colors and shapes. They are poor swimmers and are often found holding onto a strand of seagrass or coral with their tail. Seahorses eat the small crustaceans that float in the sea or crawl along the ocean floor. Seahorses are mainly found in shallow, tropical, and temperate waters throughout the world. Seahorses vary in size from 0.6 to 12 inches. Seahorses are bony fishes. Seahorses communicate with each other using clicks. And then Safari Sam says, the male seahorse has an unusual role in the care of its young. We learned about this in our book and reading. The female seahorse drops hundreds of eggs into the male seahorse's pouch. The male seahorse carries the eggs until the baby seahorses emerge, fully developed. Sea lions. Sea lions spend most of their time at sea. They come ashore to molt and to breed. They can swim at speeds of about 7 miles per hour when chasing after fish and squid. They can dive to depths of more than 600 feet and can stay underwater for several minutes. Sea lions mainly feed on squid and fish. Occasionally they will eat clam. Sea lions live in all of the world's oceans, from subarctic to tropical waters, except for the northern Atlantic Ocean. Male California sea lions weigh about 775 pounds and are about 7 feet long. Sea lions are mammals, just like the dolphins. They are warm-blooded, have thick, short hair, and give birth to live young. Sea lions are trained by the U.S. Navy to help with military operations, such as mine hunting. It says sea lions are intelligent and can be trained to perform tasks. They often perform at zoos and in circuses. Sea slugs. Sea slugs are some of the most colorful creatures on Earth. They breathe using gills that form a cluster on their back. They have head tentacles they use to touch, taste, and smell. Many sea slugs are carnivores and eat tiny sea creatures, other sea slugs, or their eggs. Sea slugs live in seas worldwide, including the tropics and Antarctica. Sea slugs vary in size from about 0.8 to 24 inches long. Sea slugs are members of the group of animal called mollusks, which includes snails. Most sea slugs are found on or near the ocean floor or coral reefs. A few sea slugs float upside down just under the ocean's surface. It says, Safari Sam, most sea slugs are poisonous. They use their stinging cells to protect themselves from predators. Some sea slugs feed on jellyfish. Sea turtles. Sea turtles spend all of their lives in the sea except when the females return to land to lay their eggs. Some female sea turtles can lay 200 or more eggs at one time in holes dug in sandy beaches. Sea turtles feed on a wide variety of animals and plants, from jellyfish and squid to seagrass. Sea turtles are found in all of the world's oceans except the Arctic. The leatherback is the largest sea turtle. It can measure up to 8 feet in length and 5 feet in width. It can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Sea turtles are reptiles. Sea turtles can live longer than 50 years. Safari Sam says, leatherback sea turtles are not affected by the sting of the deadly box jellyfish and regularly eat them. By eating these jellyfish, sea turtles help keep tropical beaches safe for humans. And Last one, sharks. The ocean is full of many kinds of sharks. The shark is at the top of the food chain. It has evolved into a fearsome hunter. Originally known to sailors as sea dogs, sharks hunt a variety of prey. All sharks are carnivores and eat many sea creatures from plankton to whales. Sharks are found in all of the seas of the world. Some, like the bull shark and the river shark, can be found in fresh water. The dwarf lantern shark is the smallest shark at 8 inches. That would be less than the size of a ruler. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world, reaching 40 feet long. Sharks are cartilaginous fish, which this means the sharks have a skeleton made from cartilage, not bone. Some sharks, like the gray reef shark, do not lay eggs, like most fish. Instead, they give birth to live young. It says sharks have several rows of teeth that grow in a groove on the inside of the jaw. Each row moves steadily forward to replace the row in front. All right, and we see they have a glossary here and an index in our nonfiction. So I hope you learned something interesting about an ocean animal today, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.